every night alone, looking for a place I call my home. Te aroha o te ahi, light me away when hope was gone. I used to hide behind me pain, me chest so heavy like the rain. But love, you come and touch me so, I may start to feel again. No preacher, no book could teach what your silence came to reach. Te aroha, whisper low, breathe my child, let it flow. Te aroha o te ai, burn gentle inside me. Te aroha o te ai, your delight me couldn't see. Heartfire, carry me through, from the ashes make me new. Te aroha o te ai, love stay burning through. Some days me lose me faith again, old wounds start to speak me name. But then me hear the ocean call, reminding me we rise from fall. I sit and watch the tide come near, wash me sorrow, wash me fear. Every wave a lesson true, everything return to you. Me mama say, boy, don't fight the flame, it's love that keep your spirit safe. Show me all the words inside me chest, let the fire do the rest. From Tahiti breeze to Kingston ground, same heart, same sacred sound. If me live or if me die, let the fire never say goodbye. Te aroha o te ai, burn steady inside me. Te aroha o te ai, set me so truly free. Heartfire, carry me song, keep me humble, keep me strong. Te aroha o te ai, love forever long. When the silence come for me,